Just east of Everett and tucked between Marysville and Snohomish is a little town called Lake Stevens. It's best known for the lake by which it's named after and the city surrounds. It offers acres of beautiful parks, including beaches and boat launches and fishing docks. And just across the street, you'll find our newest listing located in a community called Long Bay. This home has an extra long driveway, is surrounded by the greenbelt, and is offered at $524,888. As you enter this 1,486 square foot tri-level, the first things you're going to notice is the smart floor plan, the flooding of natural light, and the soaring vaulted ceilings. The great room concept offers hardwoods throughout. There's a gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, subway tile, and a breakfast bar, not to mention a large pantry for storage that connects to your formal dining room area that offers a slider out to your entertaining deck. A few steps downstairs brings you to your family room with a nice laundry room and a powder room for your guests. As we head upstairs, you'll find a large master suite with a 3-piece ensuite and a walk-in closet. There's 2 additional bedrooms upstairs and a full bath. Don't forget to check out the huge under-the-house storage area that's located in the 2-car attached garage. But my favorite part of this listing is that as a member of this community, you get private access to a beach and a dock right on Lake Stevens. In addition, a secured area to store a boat or RV. Call 206-899-5155 to schedule your private showing today.